Adults are gray overall. During breeding, their plumage is usually much worn and stained, particularly in the migratory populations, and looks nearly ochre. The average weight of the larger males is 4.57 kilograms 1 lb, while the average weight of females is 4.02 kilograms 9 lb, with a range of 2.7 to 6.7 kilograms 6.0 to 14.8 lb across the subspecies. Sandhill cranes have red foreheads, white cheeks, and long, dark, pointed bills. In flight, their long, dark legs trail behind, and their long necks keep straight. Immature birds have reddish-brown upper parts and gray underparts. 15-16. The juveniles do not have the characteristic red foreheads, making distinguishing the young from the parents possible, even when they are the same height. The sexes